Yo, what's up Hemifam family? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another video. My battery died in my Dodge Charger Scat Pack. This is the new one that I just bought. A lot of you saw that video, don't let your battery die in your Dodge Charger. Well, I'm trying to not let that happen again. If I do not start my car or drive my car every day right now, the car will not start. I had to call my buddy Abel the other day to bring his battery pack to get the old hack started. So in today's video, we're gonna take this pile into the Dodge dealership. The battery is a Mopar battery, so it has 36-month free replacement. So we're gonna take the car in, have them test the battery, see if it fails their test, and hopefully get a new battery and not have to worry about the car not starting and all of that good stuff, guys. So let's go ahead and hop into this pile, cold start this beast, drive on down to the Dodge dealership and talk to my buddies in service and see what exactly can be done about this car, you know, what tests they're gonna run, and hopefully they don't damage anything, because as you know, I have custom lighting, air suspension. I will pop that circuit breaker to the systems just in case, but you know how it goes when you take your car into a dealership, guys. So let's go ahead and head on over to the Dodge dealership and see what we find out on the battery here, guys. Alright guys, my buddy Fabian has got the car back here at Rogers. They are doing the battery test. So they got the machine hooked up to the battery, and as of now it came back discharged. They're charging it up, still has 45 minutes. He said once it's fully charged they will run the test again, and if it fails it will provide the warranty code for a new battery. If not, it should be charged up and good to go. And if it does happen again, we will come back and repeat the process. So we will see what happens here in a few minutes, guys. But a huge shout out to Fabian and Rogers for taking care of this issue for us, guys. All right, guys, since we're waiting the 45 minutes or whatever for the battery to charge and test again, see if it's gonna fail, let's see what kind of hotness they got at the lot here at Rogers Dodge Chrysler Jeep here in El Centro. This looks like, yep, it's an RT, but it's almost got the appearance package like the Super Track Pack Charger. So no Brembo, so I'm guessing this is a Super Track Pack package Challenger. Here we got another Hemi, looks like the same thing. I'm guessing they're calling it the Challenger RT Plus. But yeah, it definitely has the SRT style hood and kind of appearance package here, guys. As you can see, this looks like to be a SXT blacktop, and it has the standard Challenger hood versus the hood scoop. This is actually a pretty badass looking car, guys. I mean, look at this. This is a TA 392. I'm guessing this is the billet paint, I imagine. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's got the Brembos. I don't like the black Brembos. I don't know. Brembos have to be red, in my opinion. TA 392. And I mean, the stripe actually looks pretty dang good. We got a Chrysler, looks like to be a 300S. Should be a Hemi car. Challenger TA. Okay, so this is not billet. This is triple nickel exterior paint, and man, it looks good. So does the Octane. Let's see what else they got. Looks like another Chrysler 300. This looks to be at like a V6. We got a plum crazy SRT Charger, dying breed, last of its brothers, sitting here. So, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. The big Brembo brakes. These look like the brass monkeys. This is a badass car, guys, and sitting at what, 56,845. It's a lot of money for this fossil, this dinosaur SRT here. What do we got? This an RT? Nah, V6, but I do like the front of this car. Another regular Charger, another regular one. Let's see, B5 blue, Destroyer gray. Nice. This one looks nice with the black wheels. This is the same color as my buddy Abel's, just very stockish. Oh man, this must be a Super V6 right here, because look at those wheels. And what do we got here? This last one, Super Track Pack, and I don't know, I'm guessing Torred. I don't even know if they make that color anymore. Let's find out. But it does look super nice in this red, but definitely gonna be a cop magnet. Yep, so this is the Torred exterior paint. My very first Charger, first gen Charger that I've had was Torred, I believe, and I love that color, guys. But pretty nice little lineup of modern Mopars here at Rogers. Let's go check back in with the battery situation and see if it got charged, if it passed or failed, and see what we're gonna do here, guys. Alright guys, so the guy just took the slip. He did say that it was a good battery. I don't know if these are the results, but it does say good battery, rated 730, measured 811 volts, 12.47, charge time almost an hour 20 minutes, 11.5 amp hours. So it did charge up the battery, so hopefully it was low, needed a charge. We're gonna run it like that and see what happens, guys. All right, guys, we are all set and done. Got my slip here. All it was the battery was a little bit drained, so they recharged it. It charged for about an hour and 20 minutes, and it came back good. It did not fail the test afterwards, so we are good to go. We're gonna run the car like this and see how it lasts. If it fails, we will come back and run it again, guys. So a huge shout out to Rogers and Rogers Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Toyota in El Centro. My buddy Fabian, my buddy Ryan Meister, good guys in the service department. If you are local, contact them. Be sure you like this video, share it on social media, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.